Hey everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. So here I am going to unbox this whiteboard marker. Let's see. Let's just quickly unpack this whiteboard marker. This whiteboard marker means it's only works on perfectly. It will work on whiteboard. So there is 4 color. You can see the first one is it's blue. Now it's red and it's black and finally it's green. So it's looking perfect, it's premium and build quality is very nice, but the important part that it's let's see now how it's work on the whiteboard. Okay, so let's see how it's work on the whiteboard. Let's see. Now let's check its writing part. So first is black, and now it's blue. It's working perfectly. It's very nice. Now it's a red one, and finally it's green. Very good. It's very nice, working perfectly on whiteboard. So this is my review. It's very good. You should buy it. I think if you want to if you want smooth writing, you should buy it definitely. So buying link in the description box, you may check it out. So thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe this channel, like this video and share this video. Thank you so much and have a nice day.